this is Joe Martinez from Martinez Law. It's an exciting day for us. We're here at our Treasure Island office at 126th Avenue in Treasure Island, Gulf to Bay Boulevard. Our signs are going up, Martinez Law. We're going to give you a little tour of our office and a little tour of the local community here. Come out and take a visit and join us. Hi, Joe Martinez from Martinez Law. You're here in our Treasure Island Madeira Chamber of Commerce conference room where you can actually come in a relaxed atmosphere when you come to have a consult with us. We oftentimes find that our clients are very highly stressed when they're talking about their end of life or they've been injured in an auto accident case. We're here to take away the stress from your life and be the best advocate for you. So please come down, have a seat with us and talk about your problems at a very relaxed atmosphere at our conference room directly across the street from the Johns Pass and directly across the street from our beautiful beaches of Treasure Island. If you need a consultation in a very relaxed atmosphere, I'd be glad to walk you through, and actually we can always give a consultation while we're walking up and down our beautiful sidewalks of Treasure Island, and so you can basically relax at your most stressful time. So come on and take a look. But this is why we come to Florida. Tampa office is a reflection of the kind of environment we hope our new Treasure Island office will bring to our clients. We know that this may be the first time ever having to consult with an attorney, much less enter into a law firm, which can be a very stressful environment. When coming for a consultation at Martinez Law offices, we hope the atmosphere is a place where you can feel at ease to discuss your issues regarding serious accidents or planning for the end of your life.